Very excited. I've just received my home gel nail kit from the Glam Squad. Came beautifully packaged in a foil bubbled envelope, and now I'm just going to have a look and see what we have inside. Right, we have Super Bonder, put that there, and there is inside my no wipe base coat, a rubber nail base, and you can get those in a few different colours, and I have gone for a natural, and the colour I chose, it was very hard to choose from so many different lovely colours, is a Moscow. So I'm really looking forward to putting that on because I've got very sorry nails at the moment. We have the remover, your buffers, your nail file, your foil, and this very, very compact, you won't believe it, is your UV nail lamp. I'm just going to get it out of there so you can have a look. Look at this. How impressive is that? And you can take that with you while you're traveling. It's got a USB, pop it on charge. How fantastic. I'm very excited. Some step-by-step, very simple to follow instructions. And I'm going to do my nails now. Here's the finished product. I'm no nail professional, but my nails are looking good and I love the colour.